Mr. B. Barik, learned counsel appearing for the respondent, has vehemently contended that the respondent stands on the similar footing with that of the appellant in Narosu Pradhan (Supra), and considering the factual background of the case of Narosu Pradhan (Supra) and applying the same to the case of the respondent, the learned single judge directed to extend the benefit to the respondent as has been done in Narosu Pradhan (Supra). In view of such position, the learned single judge has not committed any error apparent on face of the record so as to cause any interference of this court at this stage, and accordingly the writ appeal filed by the state may be dismissed. Stanza. In view of such position, if the similarly situated persons have already received the benefits, then the present respondent cannot be deprived of the same, more particularly when the decision in Narosu Pradhan (Supra) has been confirmed by the apex court. After dismissal of such writ application, the government brought the employee into regular establishment for the purpose of granting pensionary benefit. But the government has not extended the benefits as has been extended to the similarly situated persons. Hence, relying upon the judgment of this court in Narosu Pradhan (Supra), which had been confirmed by the apex court, the benefit should be extended to the respondent. Stanza. On the basis of the factual matrix available on record, it appears that on 1980 the respondent had initially joined as NMR, who continued in the said post and thereafter brought over to work charged establishment as Amin on 2/9/1993. Thereafter he retired from service on 31st January 2018. The continuance of the respondent in work charged establishment was considered for all purposes, including the gratuity. The tribunal wide order dated 3rd May 1999 passed in OA number 70 (B) of 1997, analyzing various points of law, directed the state government to regularize in an establishment post from the time he completed 5 years of continuous service in work charged establishment, and the period from that time till the date of retirement be counted towards the pension, and direction was issued to grant pensionary benefit to the employees. Stanza. Further reliance has also been placed on the order of a division bench of this court in Chandra Nandi versus State of Odisha and others 2014 (1 OLR 73), where this court had given a direction to notionally regularize the service of the petitioner prior to his superannuation from the service, and accordingly calculated the petitioner's entitlement, including the pensionary benefits. Consequentially, the learned single judge had has not committed any error apparent on the face of record so as to interfere with the same and deny the benefits to the respondent. Stop over.